just confusing me? Are you here to stay? The things you tell me are unusual. This is so unfair. I gave you all I had, put you through that all away. How can I trust you? I'm sorry for my fuck ups, but what can I do when you're not around?
Shedding tears sometimes, please I'll never forget. A little thought in my head, fiction finds happiness. And I've tried letting go, something's tied to my wrist. There's no fixing me now. Please get out of my head, since you to never show how much you mean to me. Someone I'll never know.
I'm a mess, my thoughts scare me. It's like my heart was shot out my chest. I never get a chance to rest at one, but you press. I'm sorry, but the pain you give is just so immense. I guess I'll handle all the pain by myself, all the rest. This is not where I wanted to be. Baby, if you're gonna break me, then just leave me be. I'm tired of the shit you put in front of me. The last thing I want is for you to be my enemy. Your voice in my head sounds like a bad melody. You're confusing me. Are you here to stay?